Look at this. First one, I want to review four of these cars. First, I have the blue one. Second, I have the white ambulance. And the fourth one, I have this cute yellow truck. And the fourth one, I have this cute bus because it's so cute. This is my favorite one because this is like have a spicy like that, like eat some chili or what like that. So the first one, my favorite is this one, this blue yellow car. It's so cute. And this one too, my favorites. And this one too, because it has some spicy faces like that. Okay, for the next, let's just pull. Do you know which one is your favorite? I like this favorite, and this one, this one, this one, and this one because it's so red, and it said super power bus, and it's the blue said heavy dirty trucks, and it said give children the best gift, and it said here heavy dirty truck and new high quality, and the yellow one says latest fashion design and funny and interesting. Give children the best gift, because this is I just read the funny and interesting one because it's so funny and it's so interesting. So I like this too. And which one do you like? Do you like this ambulance, or do you like this red spicy truck? That's my favorite one. And do you like the blue heavy dirty truck that the favorite of me? Oh, or this yellow latest fashion design and funny and interesting. Which one did you like?